Hello devs. So today I'll be showing you an awesome Django Svelte template that you can use on your company, you can use on your own indie project and get started with the development actually without worrying about the extra hassle. So I've created this template. It's super easy, and the very awesome feature it has is auth, form validations and form actions, toast slash messages, and obviously validation. I've already said about that. So let's just get started. So the validation is on the example over here and the toast message example over there. So toast message is pretty much encoded. So let me just show you. And yep, everything is inbound, like everything is bounded. So let me just do the password again. Yep. So now let me clear the toast message. So let me create a to do create video for Django Svelte template. So this is the template actually working, and let's just get started on the backend part. So on the backend we are using very simple simplistic thing that is called Djapy. We are using Djapy for API creation. So things are super simple on Djapy actually, and we have like registration user and a register user, login user, and auth, everything. So let's hop into the login logic. So over here, so what is our REPL? REPL means replicate. So what are we doing is we are replicating the form actions with the URL name. So the URL over here, it gets replicated. So the login is over here, and so everything over here gets triggered. And we are replicating same thing on register as well. So you can see inside register page or server, so register. And how are we using this? Question mark slash register. So if you go inside page server, there is register. So both of them are the same naming convention. So if you go to REPL and search for other examples, you can like extend the REPL as well, and there are other options as well. So allow cookie, basically if you set it as false, the cookie sent by the Django server won't be saved on your front end. So basically it as default it is true. So to do post method. So let's just try creating a to do. So when we create to do, creating to do, you will see question mark slash to do getting sent to Svelte server. So if you go to the Django server, you will see what is getting sent. Proxy question mark URL name is equals to create to do. So that is getting sent over here. So proxy is to do slash create. So what you can do is, another thing is we have validation. I think we have already talked about that. We have paginations, and you can simply use paginate to create pagination. And if you go to paginate and put a comma over here, there are other options like offset pagination, cursor pagination, and base pagination. If you want to use that, you can use that as well. And another thing, there's some, I've already talked about form actions and its inbounding. I'll like to talk to you about the call action as well. So call. So why are we using call over here? So the reason of using call over here is because this endpoint asks for a parameter, that is to do ID. If you go to on our Swagger docs, so you can see, try it out, there's to do ID. It requires to do ID. So when anything requires in parameter, if URL requires in parameter, we are using this thingy that is called call at the rate, and S means string, URL string, and the URL string is over here, and M means method. So that's how we are integrating everything over here, and it seems super simple. You can even extend the REPL. You can like simply, what you can do is, if you want to create something on your own, put a double free over here, and now we can extend it. Now we can add something else over here. Let's say create max to do, just random name, and you can start implementing the thing is over here. So that's how it works actually. This is how it works. Event. Now awesome, now you can start creating everything that you want. So that's how it works. Let me just Control Z this thing. So yeah, everything is covered. Let me know if you have any questions over here, and like your handling is pretty much smooth, and like I'm totally amazed about the template itself. So yep, and even delete is simple. So yeah, let me know. This is Django Svelte template, and it uses Svelte 5, it uses Tailwind, it uses Django, it uses Djapy. So everything is super duper mixed up, you know. Everything is coupled, and let me know if you want to use more of it. And there are other endpoints if you like to use. There's forget password, there's confirm user email. Everything is already coded, and I'm even planning to create a SaaS template out of it. So yeah, that is it. Let me know. That is almost a lot of yapping today. Thank you.